Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to use stopwatch in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To look for our stopwatch, we will have to go to our main menu, and here we have clock application. We will tap it here, and here we have stopwatch at the bottom right here next to the timer. So to start a stopwatch, we just have to tap it once, and our stopwatch is active and counting seconds and minutes. Stop, we can resume, or we can reset to our starting position. And that's basically it. It's in our clock application. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.